Hi guys, I'm back with another tech unboxing. So I was on Amazon and I saw the legendary Shure SM58 microphone for $20. Now, if you know anything about Shure SM58s, you know that they retail for about $99, and if you're lucky you could find them on the used market for around $50 to $80 depending on the condition. So I saw this and I instantly knew something was up. It's just too insane of a deal. So I purchased it, and today we are going to investigate exactly why this was so cheap. I'm guessing that this is some knockoff brand. Christmas is coming up, and I'm guessing the company is trying to sell cheap knockoffs to people who don't really know what they are looking for. Now, before we open this, I just want to remind you guys to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And don't forget to click that bell if you want to be updated whenever I upload. It really means a lot to me. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. So right away, you can see that the packages are completely different. Here I have a brand new SM58 with the packaging. And on my left, you can see is the package that came in the mail. It's completely blank, it's not the same size, no marketing information on it whatsoever. Weight-wise, it feels pretty solid. There's definitely something substantial in here, and that's actually a pretty good sign. You don't see that a lot with knockoffs. Alright, now let's open up the box. What the fuck? Alright guys, so this is clearly not the microphone I ordered. I'm gonna do some investigating and find out just what the hell happened. I'll post an update video when I find anything out.